Here is my brand new out of the box Project Source Pro Flush. I bought this from Lowe's for $100. Here's the tank. Has the original flush handle, original flapper, and a fill valve. So, I got the tank out. Here's the bowl. It's made in September 30th of 2022. And the Trapway is not glazed. Here's the tank lid. It came with the toilet seat and some bulb caps, but we're not going to use it because I'm flushing this outside. Here's the bowl. The whole Trapway is not glazed. This is a tank to bowl gasket for this toilet. Here's the Project Source toilet completed. This is some more screws and rubber washers. And the tank lid is on. I'll be doing the flushes for the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.